It was time to party and celebrate Master Blaster's never-ending success. And so, obviously, our Bollywood divas turned up looking their very best. But not quite all. While we understand that Priyanka was kind of anchoring this event, जो बात समझ नहीं आई वो ये थी कि प्रियंका अपने अटायर को लेकर इतनी कंफ्यूज क्यों थी? Priyanka donned a ghagra, come corset, come choli, come white gown. This is an attempt at wearing something Indo-Western from Piggy's side, which couldn't have failed more miserably. Honestly, Priyanka, you can do much better. जरा नजर डालिए इस क्रिस क्रॉस डिजाइन और रिबन्स पर, जो कि प्रियंका के कॉर्सेट के साइड से दिख रहे हैं. Terribly tacky. The gown is unflattering and does nothing to accentuate her gorgeous body. And the white common flaring skirt makes her look like she was confused between choosing a dress for a party or strolling by the beach. Thumbs down all the way. And of course, she makes no attempt at trying a new hairdo. We are so disappointed. हमारी लिस्ट में दूसरी हीरोइन का नाम प्रीति जिंटा का है. Now Preeti, why would you wear something like that when you were making an appearance after ages? And since all the men in the party were dressed in formals, this event wasn't exactly your friend's birthday party. Or was it, Preeti? Preeti Zinta looks like she was too lazy to dress up at all for an event like this. Did she even comb her hair? The flowery pink jumpsuit makes her look boring and way too casual. Preeti, we would request you to stick to wearing that outfit at your house only. Does that look comfortable for sure? Well, she hardly experiments, so this actually doesn't come as a surprise. Sonakshi Sinha bores us in this black bandage dress. Does look strangely familiar. That's because this pattern has been repeated so frequently that we are honestly bored of it. In fact, Jessie Randhawa was caught wearing exactly the same, and Katrina has worn something similar in a different color. Even if we analyze just Sonakshi in it, we still stick by our words. Looks like a hybrid off-shoulder and a sleeveless dress. And no, it's not impressing anyone. Well, looks like Janelia still is in the Tere Naal Love Ho Gaya promotion mode. Or maybe she's just behaving like the Bollywood star wives usually do. Take a look at Suzanne Roshan too. White anarkali. Well, it's not shocking, yet we're so done with looking at white, gaudy designer anarkalis that we might close our eyes we see one the next time. On a gentler note, these ladies look quite pretty in these. So much better than what our supposed style divas have worn at the party. So, there you are. Few of these dresses are examples of what you should never ever wear. Even after this disastrous presentation of fashion, we are not losing hope. So, gorgeous B-Town ladies, next time please give us something to go gaga over. For Rudrani Chaturaj, Zoom, Mumbai.